the brewing rivalry between you and Andres? Kasi yung fandom niyo parang rabid fans. So, nakaka-apekto ba yun sa friendship niyo ni Andres? Or sa healthy competition?
Ako po, hindi eh. Parang pagbalik po namin na magtitaping namin ng Montya, parang nabis pa nga po namin yung isa't isa eh. Talaga doon sa workshop po, may workshop po kasi kami kay Miss Ana Pileo. Napag-usapan po namin yan kung nagbabasa-basa ba ako, ganyan-ganyan. Kasi simula po nung nagsisimula pa lang kami ng ang Montya na Section E, sinasabi sa akin ni Andres, parang sinasabi ko po sa inyo lahat na parang kuya ko talaga yan. Kasi tinuturo talaga sa akin na huwag ka magbabasa ng mga comments masyado, ganyan-ganyan, para di ka naapektuhan. Kaya nung sa workshop namin, napag-usapan po namin yan na meron talagang times na may nababasa ako mga comments, tapos minsan nilulungkot po ako. Tapos parang ni-remind po niya ako dun sa workshop na yun na okay, game na ulit tayo, shoot na ulit tayo, huwag ka magbabasa-basa ng mga comments masyado para di na naapektuhan. Yun po, okay po kami.
What can you say, Andres?
Ayun nga, sa tingin ko din, like, when we come to work talaga, we're all friends really, and that's what was the beauty of ang Montya ng Section E talaga, was the bond with everyone in the cast, and I think that's what brought the magic really. And kahit naman nag-aaway sila minsan, just really it's important to try not to look into it too much talaga, because at the end of the day, we're all friends really, and we enjoy each other's company, so parang really, at the end of the day, I don't see it that there's a rivalry, you know, honestly. I see that they're just very supportive and they just want the best for us, and ayun.
They're just fans, being fans, mga supporters. And for the rest of the cast, no, kasi yung title, Dark Side. So how do you handle your dark side in real life?
Rafa, you want to start? All the ladies here said it good, yeah.
How do you handle your dark side?
Sa sarili ko lang, hindi ko siya parang pinapa-feel sa iba yung dark side ko kasi alam kong kasi marami na rin akong dark side na pero hindi ko siya na-expose. Parang hindi ko siya na-share kasi nahanap ko sa sarili.
Yes, you wanna keep it to yourself.
So, pinag-pray ko na lang, kinakusap ko yung sarili ko, lahat ng problema ko, yun. Ganun ko siya inahandle yung dark side.
Parang good energy lang all.
Ayoko kasi na puro bad energy. Gusto ko, pinapakita ko lang sa kanila na kahit may problema ko, ano meron ako negative energy, gusto ko positive pa lang.
I love that for you, Rafa. Sarah! Dark side.
Personally, for the dark side in your life, I don't really mind it as much. I try not to mind the dark side. I just try to surround myself with friends, with like a good support system, family. I try to surround myself with positivity. You know, it's important that we don't mind the negativity that that surrounds us. So, you know, just focus on the good. And
Oh yes, oh yes. That's very Sarah Jo. Yes, Art.
It's nice to acknowledge your dark side. Acknowledge it, face it, and then surround yourself with positivity. Pray to God. Listen to good music. Clean maybe. It makes you feel better.
That works. That works. I have to say. Angela.
You know, heart's right. You have to really acknowledge your dark side. You have to face it. You have to be self-aware. Because sometimes we tend to be defensive about it. When people point it out, you become defensive. No, I'm not like that. But you really do have to face it so you can change.
I love that.
Yeah. So you have to accept yourself.
Beautiful.
Kasi
Alright.
the dark side balances the good side. Yan na yan.
Let's befriend your dark side. Kaibiganin mo yun. Yes.
It's part of it's part of life talaga. So, lagi mo nang tatandaan kung bakit ka nandito. So, kung magpapalapon ka doon, para sa kapag ginagawa nyo, diba? So, dapat hindi ka magpanalo. And of course, yung friends mo, your family, it's really okay to not be okay. Just seek help. It's really important to talk to your friends. Diba? And embrace it. Para sa akin, embrace mo. Kasi part of you as a person.
I love that. Thank you so much. Yes, Justin.
Sa akin naman, you have to accept it. Kasi weather lang naman talaga yung buhay. Paminsan bumabagyo, di ba? Oh, bagyo. Paminsan maaraw. So you have to accept it. And then pag na-accept mo siya, mas maraming blessings na dumadaan.
Panahon lang.
Panahon lang talaga yan. Kaya dapat happy lang. Enjoy lang tayo. Ganyan.
I love that. Thank you so much, girls. How about the boys? Yes, of course. Who wants to start?
Ayun si Ethan. Parang maganda talaga marinig ko yung salita.
I think may ready sagot si Ethan. Ethan.
For me po, you just really have to face that there's always gonna be a dark side. Parang may, in life po, may good side and also may dark side. So for me, you just have to face it. Like they all said, you have to face it. And you have to, actually embrace mo nga eh. Kasi parang for me, kailangan, dun ka matututo sa buhay. And I think that's about it. Yeah. Yun po.
Thank you, Charles.
Parang nasabi kasi lahat ng sasabihin ko, pero yun, try to focus on the good things. Life talaga, there's a lot of dark stuff na nangyayari. And you have to face it. So, yun siguro. Focus on the good things. Enjoy lang. Okay, ikaw.
Gusto ko yung pinag-rehearse niya sa sasabihin niya, yun din.
MK?
Yes, Kuya, I got you. I got you. I think for me, I think it's always good to remember that in every darkness there's always a light. You just gotta find the right spot. You're not always gonna see what's ahead of you. You're not gonna know what the world or the universe throws your way. You're not always gonna be prepared, but you just gotta find the light and you'll be good.
And the lights. Yes, Derek.
Ayun, kaya sinabi ni Michael, turn the lights on. Pero kasi, maigil lang yung buhay, no? As much as possible, I try not to conquer sa bad stuff sa life. Enjoy lang lagi. Happy lang.
Yes, Martin Venegas.
Ayun, siyempre, di naman natin maiwasan magkaroon ng dark times sa life natin. Nasasabi ng lahat eh. Ako kasi personally, nag-pray lang ako kay God na guide ako sa tama. And ayun, makipag-hang sa friends, sa family. Tapos ito si Sam Show, lagi ako na-advise na ito pag nag-rant ako sa kanya sa mga problems ko. Sobrang galing mag-advise ito ni Sam Show. Kaya kung ako sa inyo guys, kung may problema kayo sa buhay nyo, i-chat nyo si Sam Show. Okay.
Sam Show sa Instagram, pwede mag-message kay Sam Show sa IG for advices. Yes, Sam Show.
Si Martin talaga. So, yun lang, you know, like everyone said everything, like there are good days, there are bad days, but then, you know, at the end of the day, we have to go through the one itself to heal it, and that's the dark side. And you know, it's important that we heal in life, and God is the best healer. He is the one who can, you know, bring us out of the dirt. So, you know, just pray every time and have faith in God and walk by faith, not by sight.
Always and forever. Yes, Kersu.
So, yun, embrace na lang yung dark times. Normal naman yan sa buhay. Normal naman yan sa buhay na yung dark times. Pero, yun, mas okay din na may mga surroundings ka na positive. Friends, family, and mga loved ones.
Support system. Yes, JD.
Ako din, agree din ako sa sinabi ng lahat. Parang nasabi nga nila lahat.
yeah, I agree to embrace your dark side kasi sometimes that makes you stronger, diba? It makes you who you are today. And yeah, just pray, lift it up to God. And siya naman kasi talaga yung nakakaalam ng lahat. Diba? Hindi natin pwede i-share lahat ng dark side natin sa mga pamilya, sa kaibigan. So yeah.
Thank you. AJ?
For me po, you should, like what the girl said, you should acknowledge to your dark side because everybody is not perfect and everybody has imperfections. Without those imperfections, we won't be human. And that's our imperfections. And yeah, we should be proud of our dark sides, right?
Yeah. Mic drop for AJ. Yes, Dane.
You all have valid points and ayun nga, face your dark side kasi that's what you will learn in life and just surround yourself with positive energy para ma-cast off. That's it.
You live and you learn. Yes, Nick.
Parang halos lahat sinabi nila. Hindi na alam sasabihin ko eh. Pero, ayun nga, sabi nga nila na like, teka na naman sasabihin ko kasi sinabi na eh. So yung, like sabi nga nila, lahat naman tayo yung mga dark side. So, ako wala na ako. Sabi lang ako sa family ko, sa mga friends ko. Ngayon, palagi lang tayo magdasal. Panginoon.
Hi, Keegan.
Hi. So, ayun, sinabi nila na ano na sa akin, personally, but syempre normally natatay si person. Personally, yung ginagawa ko, I talk to myself, I pray to God, kahit pa paano, sinusunod ko yung sarili ko sa mga bagay na makakatulong sa akin the future. Ayun, learn from mistake. Listen to positive music. Yun lang.
Thanks, Keegs. Andre.
Ayun po, so kada dark side po kasi naniniwala ako na meron din pong bright side. Kaya huwag sana natin kakalimutan na sa bawat dilim, may nag-iintay sa ating liwanag.
Lux.
Thank you!
Lux. Frost.
CJ, what else is there to say? I mean, I agree with everyone. Everyone has very good points. I'm sure all of us sort of that. My only addition is go for a walk.
That is true. That is true. Yes, Kurt.
For me, I believe that everyone has a dark side. And I handle my dark side through learning from it. I let my dark side mold my character to be a better person. And yun po. Thank you po.
There we go. And last but not least, Yana De Jesus.
What they said po, thank you. Ay, medyo na.
Please.
Ayun po, since nasabi na nila lahat, yun nga, embrace natin dark side natin.
Kuya Romel.
And may natutunan kasi ako kay Miss Ana Fileo sa mga workshop natin.
Tell us.
Which is yung being grounded, yung magkakaroon ka ng zero state. So whenever you go, kahit saan kayo pumunta, kunwari, workplace, sa school, you have different emotion where you go sa mga places na yan. So always come back kung saan ka nanggaling. Kumbaga, zero state. Before I go to any other places, I return home. So sa home ko, I'm 0%. And when I go to other places, I learn all of these emotions and I leave it there. Yun lang po. Thank you.
We are taking notes, guys. Para pakalaman natin ang mga sagot ng bawat isa. Wow, napakaraming words of wisdom. Thank you so much. Yes po.
How do I deal with my dark side? Ayun nga, parang nasabi na lahat. So, prayer talaga. Yun lang talaga ang para sa akin is what guides me in my life. Instead of course, my parents guide me din, my family, they're always there, my friends are there to support. But I think really the biggest and most important factor in the drive and why I do things really is prayer. Because kahit minsan kapag nahihirapan ako at aminin ko din nahihirapan talaga ako sa work, I just stop for a moment and pray. And mas lalo kapag if it's too much for me, I always like to think about the good things in life talaga. Really view what little things around you are a blessing to you. Kasi minsan we take for granted the small things in our day-to-day life. Pero, yun, I think really just to look for the brighter side.
Yes. Alright. Ashton?
Ako din, prayer din. Kasi maliit or malaking problema, dinadasal ko talaga. Kahit yung tipong, Lord, gisingin niyo po ako bukas na 6 a.m. ganun. Dinadasal ko yun. Kasi kapag, sabi nila, i-acknowledge mo. Kasi pag di mo i-acknowledge, hindi ka magiging aware. Paano mo masasolve kung hindi ka aware? So, i-acknowledge mo, pag-pray mo yun, tapos i-surrender mo kay Lord.
Yes.
Robin?
Ako naman po, aminado naman ako na marami akong dark side. Pero dahil sa mga tao sa paligid ko po, ang dami ko din po natututunan and mas napapalapit po ako sa Diyos. Ngayon, kaya ano po, mas nababago ko na po yung dark side ko. Yun po.
There you go. Maraming salamat